Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error of Adobe Creative Cloud unable to reach Adobe servers. First, we are going to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Let's open it and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the options at the left part of this window. From here, click on Change Settings and click on Allow another app at the bottom right part of the window. From here, we are going to browse for the Creative Cloud app. It is usually in this path. Go to this PC, go to your C drive, go to Program Files x86, open the Adobe folder, Adobe Creative Cloud, ACC folder, and here is the Creative Cloud application. Click on Open and click on Add right here. Now that it is added, make sure that it is checked both in private and public. Now we click on Allow another app again, click on Browse, and we're going to go back to the previous folder and click on the Utils folder. This time we are going to select Creative Cloud Desktop app, click on Open, and click on Add. Again, we are going to make sure that it is checked on both private and public. Click on OK to save these settings, and we can then close this window. The next way is to search for CMD, right-click on it, and we run it as administrator. Click on Yes, and we're going to type in netsh space winsock reset. Hit enter to run the command, and another command would be ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter to run the command. If that does not work, we can go to settings by doing a right click on the start and click on settings. From here, let's go to Network and Internet, and let's go to VPN from the options at the left, and you're going to make sure that you are disconnected to any VPN connection you might have. The next way would be to go to the Adobe site, and I will also link this in the description box below. And once you're here, you're going to click on Reset Your Host's File. We can then download the Limited Access Repair tool for Windows or for your Mac. Since I have a Windows device, I'm going to click on this one, and you can then run the repair tool and follow the instructions within that tool. Last way would be to search for programs and click on Add or Remove Programs. From here, we're going to look for Adobe Creative Cloud, select it, and we are going to uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled it, we are going to reinstall Creative Cloud from the official Adobe site. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.